Hello everyone, today we are discussing about data visualization tool, like Qlikview, QlikSense Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. After the completion of the video we will understand, what is data visualization, what are the tools available for data visualization and where we can use that tools. Before going to start, we must have to know, what is data visualization and what are the tools are available in the market for data visualization. So what is data visualization? Data visualization is nothing but the graphical representation of information and data. It represents the data in the form of charts, graphs, and maps for better understanding. Data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. In the world of big data, data visualization tools and technologies are essential to analyze massive amounts of information and make data-driven decisions. Here's some examples of data visualization tool, like Qlikview, QlikSense Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. One simple thing you must have to know about Qlikview and QlikSense. These are visualization tool and which is developed by Qlik company. At the same time we must have to know about Tableau and Microsoft Power BI tools. So Tableau tool is developed by Tableau company. And the Microsoft Power BI tool is developed by Microsoft company. Now, we understood, what is data visualization and what are the tools used for data visualization. Then we need to understand where, and on which data, we can use data visualization tool. For better understanding we will see the architecture diagram in the next slide. Here, on the top of the diagram, we will see the database which contains important as well as non-important data. Then next is datamarts. Datamarts is part of database where we can store only important and specific data. Then we can see data warehouse. Data warehouse is just like a database where we can store only important data. And at last, we can see data visualization tool. These tools are used to represent data in the form of charts, graphs, and maps. And at the bottom of diagram, we can directly use data visualization tool on database, datamarts and data warehouse as well. As your requirements you can use data visualization tools. You can use data visualization tools on any type of data, but usually it is recommended to use tools on the top of data warehouse. Now we will see the difference between Qlikview and QlikSense. As we understood in previous slide, Qlikview and QlikSense are developed by Qlik company. Qlikview is a first version of data visualization tool, and QlikSense is designed to complement for Qlikview with some extra features. Qlikview Personal Edition is totally free of cost, but with one condition, you cannot open files created by another users. So it is very useful for initial learner and students. And QlikSense is not a free of cost but it offers a free trial. Qlikview its name itself suggests a view of the data, and QlikSense means view as well as manipulate the data. We cannot open Qlikview without data, but QlikSense we can. Qlikview work on desktop machine, but modern visualization is not possible using Qlikview. As QlikSense work on server machine, and modern visualization is possible due to extra features. Qlikview and QlikSense both used VB scripting, SQL Server and C++ are few of languages. In next video, we will see the difference between Tableau and Microsoft Power BI tools. Thank you very much for seeing the video. If you like the video please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in next video. Bye.